Welcome to Blizzard Fire. We hope this video helps fire up your solution.
Start by opening the Directx diagnostic tool to confirm installation and version. Press Win+R to open Run, then type dxdiag and press Enter. Wait for the tool to finish collecting information before you continue. Look at the System tab for the Directx version line near System Information. Note whether it lists Directx 12, Directx 11, or an earlier release like Directx 9. If the tool fails to open, you will need administrator rights or to update Windows first. Record the exact version number for troubleshooting and driver update checks. Run dxdiag and click Save All Information to write a text file to your documents. Open the saved file and search for Directx version to confirm the installed release. Alternatively, inspect C/Windows/System32 for D3D11, DLL or D3D12. DLL to verify component files. Right-click each DLL and view Properties Details to read the file version number. If the DLL file versions correspond to Directx 12, your GPU can use Directx 12 features. When in doubt, update your GPU. Choosing between Directx 11 and Directx 12 depends on your hardware and software needs. Directx 12 provides lower CPU overhead and better multithreading for modern GPUs. Directx 11 offers broader compatibility with older games and simpler driver requirements. If you run Windows 10 or 11 with a recent GPU, prefer Directx 12 for performance. For legacy titles or stability, choose Directx 11 or install the appropriate runtime package. Always update GPU drivers, use Directx feature levels, and install the Microsoft runtime when needed.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.